Hey Gems, in this video I am showing you how to maintain the curls when you have the French curl hairstyle. I'm using wrapping lotion, but you can use any type of foam. I would suggest some type of mousse. But this wrapping lotion always does a girl good. I use it on my crochet like curly hair. So yeah, and as you can see right here, I'm using my paddle brush, I call it, and I'm just brushing from the tip all the way up. You don't want to pull a knot on this synthetic hair. It will straighten it. I just want the curls to love together and just, be detangled, because one thing about this synthetic hair, if it is tangled, it will leave knots and it will not look good. And I'm just being honest. It's not human hair, so you want to make sure you take care of these curls. I would definitely suggest wrapping them at night with flexi rods, or make sure for sure detangling them. But you can see just right here how I'm maintaining it. This is all after the install of getting French curls, but this is very much how you should do it in the process of just maintaining the hairstyle. I would suggest I wouldn't be doing no bonnet where it's rubbing and all that good stuff. You're going to see me right here even out all of it, kind of layering it and evening out at the same time. Anything that was caught or strands that were longer than the other, I'm just balancing it out row by row. And that's pretty much the part that only the stylist can do over time. You can, if you want to make it shorter, you can, but this is just what you do after you get done installing it. You really don't have to worry about snipping it unless it is a knot, of course. But as long as you maintain them, it should be fine. I have a video showing what my client said about this hair and if she would get it again. So look out on my channel for that for sure. I'm going to try to leave something in the right hand so you guys can see the actual video. But if you want to see the whole install of this video, I will have the link to it at the end of this video. But you can see these girls is looking nice. You want to make sure you just going in and snipping them up and all that good stuff. And in that full tutorial, you'll see basically everything that I did to do this hairstyle. I also have a hairstyle or prepping video on how to prep this hair on your braiding rack, the do's and the don'ts. So look out for that. Go check that out. Don't just look out. It's there. Go watch it right now. As a matter of fact, when you get done with this video, not right now, of course, I want you to get educated on this and see how I'm doing. But after, you've watched this video, go watch that video. I also want to say, please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle. Let me know if you had this hairstyle, what you thought of the hair. Everything that I'll use will be in the description below. So if you want to know what type of hair this is, it is on Amazon. I have the link for you to go and buy it. This is a very cute color. It's like a macchiato color. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting this. I really hope you guys enjoy how I am giving you the best gems and dropping gems for you guys on how to do this hairstyle. I also show how to sew the ends in this whole full tutorial. So you guys go and watch it because it really has all the gems that you need. Look how easy it is to get the curls to be curling. That's why I said flexi rod it. Well, you've reached the end of this video, but go watch the full tutorial. Thanks for watching. Peace and hair grease. Bye.